everyone, it's Jamie. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I decorated my living room for Christmas this year. So sit back and relax, and I hope you all enjoy. Okay, so here is my living room. Now, I didn't go too crazy with the Christmas decor, and you can see my little doggy over there. She's feeling kind of restless today. But anyway, so this is walking into my living room from my dining room. And over here on this table is my lamp. And this is a lamp that I got from Walmart. And I like it because you can screw the top off and then put your own little design inside if you want to. So on this, I just went in with some of the, I don't know if you guys can be able to see that or not, but with some of the Dollar Tree fake foam, little snow, those are the little foam pellets or whatever. I put that in there, and then I added the Dollar Tree church ornament that lights up. And then I added some of the Dollar Tree bottle brushes in the back. So I made it sort of like a little snowy scene. And then I have a black and red buffalo check scarf from the Dollar Tree that I just lined on across the table as a table runner. And then over here on my couch, I have these 4 pillows. They are all from Walmart. And I believe they were all about $5 a piece. So there's that. And then as I pan up here, there is this. The barn sign is a gift bag from the Dollar Tree. And I just framed it using a Dollar Tree picture frame. And then the little skis here I got from Target. And then the bow at the top is from the Dollar Tree. And I just cut the tails down because they were a little bit too long. So there is that. This is what's hanging on the wall just over the couch. Okay, and then now I'm going to pan over here. And And down here on my coffee table, I have these Christmas trees I did a DIY of last year, and I do have that video on my channel. I will link it down below. So I have those that I made. The coffee table has a another one of the Dollar Tree buffalo check scarves as a table runner. This hurricane vase is from, I can't remember if it's from Home Goods or Ross or somewhere like that. I can't remember, but I think it's really pretty. I might have even got it from Walmart last year. And then only thing I did with it is I put some of the fake snow in there, like the fiberfill stuff. And then I put a battery operated candle in there. So there's that. And then over here on this end is the snowman top hat that I made. I did do a video on this also, and I put it, I will put a link to that video down in the description in case anybody wants to see how I made that. And I did make that using all Dollar Tree items. And then as we pan over here is my blanket ladder that I got from a craft fair this fall. And I did stain it. I think it needs another coat of stain though. It's not quite dark enough. But I went ahead and put a black and red buffalo checked blanket that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. And then these little, these are actually napkin holders that I've had for many, many, many years. But I just use them as decor. So I just tied them on to each little side here of my blanket ladder. And down here, I don't have very many Christmas blankets. This black one is not a Christmas blanket. It is one that I got from, I believe, Marshall's or TJ Maxx this year for Halloween. It's a Ray Dunn blanket, and it says spooky on it, but I just turned it around so that you can't see the spooky wording. Down here in the floor, this is a vase that I got from Target this year, and it's just these little black, like Santa snow boots. So I have that, and then the flowers that are in there are from the Dollar Tree. I just got some white poinsettia, red poinsettia, and then a couple of little bunches of the holly berries and leaves placed in there. And then this is my TV stand or console table. I have it all done up. I first put the red and black buffalo check scarves across the bottom, and then I changed my mind and went in and just added the fake snow. I got this fake snow from Walmart. It came in a roll. I just cut it down to the size that I needed and placed it on there. So down here on the bottom of it, these little pine trees I got from Target last year. The little wooden deer is from Target this year. This lantern type, I don't know, centerpiece here, is from a friend of mine. She gave this to me. And then the candle is from the Dollar Tree. And then the little wreath that it's sitting down in is also from the Dollar Tree. And then this owl I got from Walmart last year. And then it has another one of the pine trees from Target that I got last year. And then down here in the floor is my faux birch logs that I made. I also did a DIY video on this, and I will link it down in the description box. I've just got those bundled up in there, and then I have some of the Dollar Tree ornaments placed in there, and then a Dollar Tree pick is placed in there, and then this metal pail I got from the at-home store last year. So there's that. And then the Garland here is from Walmart last year. It's flocked Garland. And what I did is I went in with some picks and things that I got from Dollar Tree and also Hobby Lobby. And I just kind of placed those in there randomly. And then I also added some ornaments that I got. Some of those are from Dollar Tree and also from the at-home store. And then the twinkle lights are also from the Dollar Tree. So I've got 2 strands of those placed on there. So I thought that is really, really pretty. And then up here on top is these snow-flocked trees I got from Big Lots last year. So I do have 2 of those. This deer is from Hobby Lobby this year. And then I have this Santa, and this is from, I believe, Home Goods last year. And then I have my wax warmer, which is from Walmart. Over here is another one of the deer from Hobby Lobby this year. And then another one of those flocked pine trees from Big Lots. So there is that. So that is my entertainment center, TV console table, whatever you want to call it. So there's that. Now over here, I'm panning over to my Christmas tree, and I guess I'll stop. And sorry about the lighting, but I'll start up here at the top. So this owl I got from Walmart last year. The tree is also from Walmart last year. And then I have pine cone picks that I got from Dollar Tree last year. The holly berry picks and the pine needle kind of picks I got from, I believe it was Hobby Lobby last year. So I put some of those in there on each side. And then most of these ornaments on this tree are from Dollar Tree. And then the black ones and some of the red ones I got from the at-home store last year. These little black and white or black and red buffalo checked booty things I got from Dollar General last year. So like I said, a lot of these ornaments are from Dollar Tree. Some of them are from Walmart that my mom had given me a few years ago. So I just think give you guys sort of a little once over on my tree and how I've decorated it. Now I did put more ornaments on the front and the sides than I did on the back of the tree, because obviously not everybody's going to see the back of the tree, but it does show through my windows. So I do have a few ornaments there, just so it's not completely bare, in case someone, you know, from outside can see in. And then down underneath the tree, this is new this year. I wanted one of these last year, and I was late to the game and was not able to get one. But this is a crate, and I got this from Walmart this year. I think it was less than $20. So it just says Farm Fresh Christmas trees, and yeah, I think that's really cute. So I was happy to find that this year. And then coming back up over here is my table that sits next to my recliner. And I have this apothecary jar that I made years and years ago. What I did was I put some of the vase filler glitter balls from the Dollar Tree in there. And then I also added some of the red and black buffalo check ornaments. And then I tied it off with some of the red and black buffalo check ribbon from the Dollar Tree. This little book here is The Night Before Christmas, and this was my daughter's book when she was little, and she autographed her name on there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I think it's really cute, so I just left it there. And then there is this, it's a candle holder. It looks like a C9 light bulb. I did get this from the Dollar Tree, I believe it was a couple years ago. And then it's got a tea light candle on there, and then of course another one of the red and black buffalo check scarves from the Dollar Tree as a table runner. I hope you all enjoyed seeing how I decorated my living room for Christmas. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. I wanted to thank you all for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye!